Hey guys!
Hey peeps!
How's it going today,
I think it's going pretty well. What about you?
Good!
Yeah.
Very good.
It's the Pickle Lady. My name is Randall. Yeah. I can introduce myself. You don't have to introduce me every time.
Well, I feel like I should, but that's okay.
I like to demonstrate that I can do it from time to time. We got a little construction noise behind us.
We are discussing renovations here in Prescott.
Here in Prescott, because like behind us, they're starting to renovate this old home.
This is a really cool area in Prescott.
Yes.
And it's the original Prescott Township.
Yep. Yep.
And they've got some pretty cool homes here.
Yeah, so you kind of pan around a home next door here. These are the old classic homes. A lot of them are 100 years old or more, historic register and all that. And oddly enough, some of them are a bit out of date and worn out, so they need to be renovated. And
so some people are snatching them up and restoring them to their former glory.
Yep.
But a little bit what we wanted to talk about was there are a lot of homes that were maybe built in the 80s and 90s that were great then. What we're starting to see is this is a good time to buy those.
Yeah.
And gut them and get them up to date, and you get some great buys.
Some great buys that way. Yeah, the price points here in Prescott are just now kind of getting to the point where you have enough room to do that. You know, if you've got a home that's you buy it for, let's say, $600,000. There's room to put in, you know, $100,000, $200,000, and you still haven't priced yourself out of the market because homes in the neighborhood sell for $750.
So a lot of sections like the Ranch and Hacienda, you can get a home maybe that was built in the 90s.
Hi,
hey! He's our buddy. He's our fan. You can get in those areas for much cheaper prices and renovate, and then still show quite a bit of appreciation and come out ahead of the game.
Yeah.
And so what's happening is Prescott's getting a little landlocked. Prescott Valley, of course, no.
Yeah,
they have a lot
more land out that way.
But
Prescott, not so much. Since a lot of the best locations are already taken, they already have homes there.
Right.
And so renovation is kind of part of the game.
And some homes have stunning, gorgeous views. The lots are already taken. The homes were built maybe in the 80s and 90s. But you can't beat those views. Right. Nor can you find those lots available hardly to build.
Yep.
So think about that. Think about buying one of these older homes and just gutting it and starting over it, but you will be capturing an amazing view.
Yes. Yeah, and then the other thing about renovation, particularly if you're out of town, is obviously you're taking on kind of a project management thing. You got to oversee the whole process. And just to let you know, we can help you with that and find you contractors to do that kind of thing. Also, too, as a...
Did your voice just crack?
Yeah, I'm going through the change, I think. Also, I think it's the cold weather. Also, too...
Tripping. Okay.
All right, get it together.
Also, too, you can also get some loans with construction.
Construction loans with the renovations built
included in your mortgage.
Yeah.
So it's all one-stop shopping.
Yes, and you don't want to dilly-dally. You want to plan the thing well. There's new technology now where you can do the renovation virtually to make sure you know exactly what you want, what kind of finishes and everything else. You can get very precise quotes to make sure you know exactly how much everything's going to cost, and we can help you with that process if that's something you're interested in doing, or if you are a seller and your home needs renovation, we can help you market that and demonstrate to buyers different options for how they might go about remodeling your house and what it will look like afterwards without you spending any money betting that someone's going to like the finishes that you picked out.
I just think it's super cool now that they actually have, oh dear God,
big
someone
trucks.
has a big truck trying to prove something.
Trying to prove something.
But anyway. What I think is really cool, and I wish, you know, some of these products were not available just then, but when we were buying, but now they are. Yeah. You can get a great renovation mortgage wrapped all up in one. So, you know, because at first you're like, how will I find $100,000? You know, no, you can have it all wrapped up in one product. Yeah. And make all the changes necessary that you need for your new dream house.
Yep.
Your new old dream house.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
So keep that in mind if you are looking at some of these houses and like, oh, geez, I don't know if I want to do all that. Maybe you do, because you might capture some stunning views, a great location that kind of might not be available anymore lot-wise.
Yeah, that's right.
You can't find it.
That's right. So you want to discuss it, we'd be glad to discuss it with you.
Yes.
So you can find us at
PrescottPickleLady.com.
PrescottPickleLady.com. We have contact information there. Or you can reach us at 713-302-1964. It is the Prescott Pickle Lady hotline. And we'll be glad to talk to you about whether you're interested in buying or selling a house that needs remodeling.
We would love to help you.
Absolutely.
All right. Give us a call, or you can go to We Sell Prescott.
WeSellPrescott.com. If you are looking to sell your home, that's our site that's dedicated to listers. And we'll be glad to help you there too.
Yeah. So it's a great day, and happy to talk to you.
Absolutely.
To you too, Randall.
Well,
nice to chat with you.
You make fun of my voice.
Well, besides that part.
Yeah, that's what you live for.
But that was just fun.
Yeah.
All right. I like to bring a little levity to our discussions.
And a little anguish too.
And a little anguish for Randall. But it all works.
Yeah.
I think it works.
Yeah. Mostly for you.
It works very well for me.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Have a great day, and give us a call if you want to talk about reno.
Yep, absolutely.
Bye.
Talk to you guys later.